Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to list realistic ways to make money online in 2022. Let's get right into it. Online businesses are becoming more popular in the United States. With today's advanced digital technology, online businesses are not only possible, but also the preferred option in many cases. Number 1. Start a blog and join an affiliate program. Starting a blog is one of the most common pieces of advice given to people looking for ways to make money online. However, a blog alone will not generate much income. You must do it correctly. Tips on making money from a blog typically include optimizing your blog to attract more traffic and incorporating Google AdSense ads to generate revenue. The issue is that users are frequently irritated by frequent ads and use ad blockers to avoid them. Consider affiliate programs instead of relying on ads and losing money with each ad block user. Affiliate programs are programs in which websites are compensated for sending traffic to a merchant website. Affiliate sites post links to the merchant site and are compensated in accordance with an agreement. For example, someone with a particular interest in fashion could start a blog discussing and reviewing trends, outfits, and clothing pieces, and include affiliate links to where readers can purchase the items discussed in the blog's post. Only your interests and creative thinking limit your options. Number 2. Join a social trading network. A social trading network is comparable to social media platforms like Facebook. They enable you to connect and communicate with other investors in order to collaborate, discuss potential investment opportunities, and make more informed trades. Furthermore, they usually have simple online tools that will help you keep track of all your stocks, cryptocurrency, and index funds. There are numerous networks and platforms available, including eToro, Naga, FXTM, and Robinhood. Each platform has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Before beginning with any trading network, you should conduct extensive research on your own. When you start trading and investing, one of the most common pieces of advice you will hear is, don't invest money you cannot afford to lose in the short term. Recognize that trading can be risky, but rewarding when it pays off. Number 3. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an unusual e-commerce fulfillment method in that a store never actually keeps its products in stock. Instead, the seller buys from a third party as needed to fulfill orders. Typically, the third party is a wholesaler or manufacturer. Dropshipping requires very little upfront capital because there is no need for employees, a store, storage space, or even inventory. Dropshipping is an excellent option for anyone looking to make money online without incurring significant startup or ongoing operating costs. Furthermore, because the entire process takes place online, you can work from anywhere in the world. It's important to note that because you never have contact with the product, you have very little control over the product quality and shipping speed, and your profit margin will be lower due to the lack of bulk pricing. Number 4. Write and self-publish. If you enjoy writing, there are numerous ways to earn money online. The old model of needing an agent or a publisher to sell your written work is a thing of the past, thanks to the internet and the ability to sell online. With Kindle Direct Publishing, Amazon allows aspiring authors to write and sell their work. Self-publishing is a fantastic opportunity for more writers to enter the literary world on their own terms. It is not uncommon for self-published authors to achieve great success, topping bestseller lists, and even turning down traditional book deals. Number 5. Transcribing audio and visual clips. If writing a book isn't for you, there are other options. Transcribing video and audio files is one option. These can be done on a freelance basis, but there are also companies that hire remote transcribers. These companies typically have varying pay rates, work requirements, and payment methods such as PayPal and bank transfers, so it's very likely that you'll find a good fit for you. Furthermore, it is uncommon for transcription companies to charge application fees, and you should avoid any jobs that require you to pay a fee to work with them. The only exception is if the company deals with sensitive information, in which case you may be required to pay for a background check. Number 6. Copywriting. Making money as a copywriter is simple, and you don't even need a degree. You can make money as a freelance copywriter if you're good at writing and have a strong work ethic. Copywriting typically entails creating promotional materials that entice readers to take action, such as pursuing a product, using a service, or joining a mailing list. This content can range from press releases to advertisements, emails, blog posts, how-to guides, and more. Working as a copywriter has two main options: working through an agency or freelance online. As a third-party provider, copywriting agencies typically hire freelance writers to provide copy and content writing. Writers are typically compensated per word or per hour. There are numerous copywriting agencies to choose from, each with its own set of payment methods, rates, and requirements. Copywriting frequently requires you to produce a large amount of content in a short period of time, but if you stick with it, you'll get used to it in no time. That's it for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on any future content we'll produce for you guys. We're signing off now, but we'll be sure to catch you all in the next one.